I found a power bank that replaces your charger, cables, and even your travel adapter. Another gadget that lets you use your own headphones on any airplane screen. And this tiny router that can literally create your own secure Wi-Fi network anywhere in the world. 13 tiny travel tech gadgets that don't just look cool, they actually make traveling easier, simpler, and way less stressful. Links to everything are in the description because some of this stuff you're gonna want before your next trip. Let's start with the gadget that instantly cleans up your entire charging setup. The Keychain 3-in-1 magnetic charger. It replaces multiple chargers with one tiny kit, keeping your travel setup clean. It unfolds into a full charging station for your phone, earbuds, and watch, then folds down to a size small enough to slip into a pocket. The magnets snap your phone perfectly into place, and the hinge lets you prop it up like a mini stand on a nightstand or airplane tray. It feels solid, charges fast, and replaces 3 separate chargers, which is exactly why it earns a perfect score. Our next travel tech essential is the Aulumu magnetic ring grip. It turns your phone into a stand, a grip, and a magnetic mount all at once. The dual-axis hinge lets you rotate your phone in any direction, so watching videos or taking calls hands-free feels effortless. The magnets are surprisingly strong, letting you stick your phone to metal surfaces when you need quick access. It's tiny, ridiculously strong, and once you start using it while traveling, your phone feels incomplete without it. Tired of your chargers turning into a messy, tangled mess in your bag? Try the Fuse Reel Charger Organizer. It attaches directly to your charging brick and gives you a collapsible reel to wrap the cable around in seconds. Suddenly, your charger becomes neat, compact, and easy to pack instead of a messy bundle. It takes almost no space, adds barely any weight, and saves you from digging through knots every time you need power. It's not flashy, but it's one of those small upgrades that make every trip feel more organized. Our next travel tech is the DockCase Pocket SSD enclosure. This gadget feels like professional-grade storage, shrunk down to a device that fits in your jeans pocket. It turns a tiny SSD into a high-speed external drive with a built-in display showing storage health and transfer speeds. That little screen adds peace of mind because you actually know your files are safe. It's perfect for creators, remote workers, or anyone traveling with important data who wants something faster and more reliable than a standard flash drive. Adapters are usually boring, but this one is surprisingly clever. The VisaGo 100-watt travel adapter lets you charge multiple devices at once, including a laptop, and it even shows you the local voltage so you know your electronics are safe. The clever part is the built-in voltage indicator that shows whether the local power is safe for your devices, which removes a lot of guesswork when traveling internationally. Instead of juggling adapters and power bricks, you just plug this in and everything works. If you've ever flown with terrible airline earbuds, this next gadget feels like a lifesaver. The SOOMFON airplane adapter. You plug it into the seatback screen or any audio jack, pair your wireless headphones, and instantly upgrade your in-flight entertainment experience. It can even connect 2 pairs of headphones at once, which is perfect for watching movies together. It's small enough to live in your tech pouch and runs for hours on a single charge, so it easily lasts a long flight. At number 7, meet the Power 5-in-1 Power Bank, a charging survival kit built for real travel days. It combines a portable battery, built-in cables, wireless charging, and even international plug support into one compact device. That means you can charge multiple devices without carrying extra accessories, which keeps your bag lighter and your setup simpler. It's perfect for long flights, layovers, or days when outlets are impossible to find, because it gives you that reassuring feeling that your devices won't run out of power. Now, let's meet the device that makes a huge difference if you rely on the internet while traveling, the TP-Link Travel Router. It creates your own private Wi-Fi network anywhere, hotels, airports, Airbnbs, so all your devices connect instantly and securely. Instead of logging into public Wi-Fi on every device, you log in once and everything stays connected. It's also great for improving slow connections and adding an extra layer of security when working remotely. It's tiny, but it turns unreliable public internet into something you can actually trust. Hotel rooms never seem to have enough outlets, which is where the NTONPOWER travel strip comes in. It gives you multiple plugs and USB ports in a slim, lightweight design that fits easily in a bag. The flat plug and wraparound cable make it easy to pack without taking up much space. Suddenly, you can charge your phone, laptop, camera, and other gear all in one spot, instead of rotating devices. It's simple, practical, and one of those things you'll pack for every single trip once you have it. This next tech is important, the Miroddi Keychain Tracker, which helps you instantly locate your keys or luggage. It connects to your phone so you can make your keys ring when they're nearby or check their last known location if you've misplaced them. That means less stress when rushing out of a hotel or airport. You can even set reminders so you get notified if you leave them behind. It's a small piece of tech that prevents one of the most frustrating travel moments, losing your essentials. Tired of tangled cables? Get the Baseus USB-C travel cable. It extends smoothly when you need it, then retracts back into its slim case so it never tangles in your bag. Despite the compact design, it still supports fast charging for phones, tablets, and even laptops, so you're not sacrificing performance for convenience. It keeps your tech pouch neat and eliminates the frustration of digging through messy cables. No knots, no clutter, just a cable that behaves and makes your travel setup feel cleaner. Need a tiny command center for all your travel tech? It is time to get the ALPAKA Mini Travel Tech Case. It opens wide so you can see everything at once, while internal pockets keep cables, chargers, and accessories neatly separated. Instead of loose gadgets floating around in your bag, everything has a dedicated place, making packing and unpacking much faster. It's compact enough to carry on its own or slip into a backpack, turning your tech setup from chaotic into organized and intentional. Finally, no travel setup is complete without reliable earbuds like the Skullcandy Earbuds. They're tiny, lightweight, and comfortable for long flights, workouts, or full days of exploring. The battery lasts a full travel day, and the compact case clips to your bag so they're always within reach. They block just enough background noise to keep you focused without feeling isolated. Whether you're watching movies, listening to podcasts, or taking calls, they deliver consistent performance in a size that barely takes up space in your carry-on. So, those are 13 tiny travel tech gadgets that genuinely earned a 10 out of 10 and a permanent spot in my bag. If you want links to everything, they're down in the description. And if you want to see even crazier travel gadgets, check out the next video.